What's going on, guys? It's Cheap Shot here. It is 9:42 in the evening, and I recorded a video that was like 5 minutes, 37 seconds long. That's right here, so, yeah. So, whatever. Yeah. That is upside down.
Hello. Hello, ma'am. Can you type in this password?
No.
What is the password? Definitely every number. Type in password. How do I type in password? What? Excuse me? Excuse me, ma'am? 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 Hey, ma'am? Ma'am? Ma'am?
Okay, basically what this video was about is me doing off like certain fireworks in different YouTubers' honors, like Pinkstyle, Markiplier, PewDiePie, Jacksepticeye, Good Mythical Morning, Rhett and Link. It just brightened my day. Especially Pinkstyle's new Would You Rather video. I could not stop laughing. I thought he was drunk or something. Anyways, so I did a Roman candle, and then I did a really big Morning Glory sparkler in their honor for being awesome. So, that's basically what that video was about. And anyways, yeah. Well, hopefully those YouTubers are watching, or any YouTuber for that matter, because it's dedicated to all YouTubers. So, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more. Bye.